Welcome back, and now news from sports. Shillong Lajong will begin their I-League campaign in Pune on Saturday after Vasco Sports Club did not press for an injunction on the Northeastern club. Vasco's came up in the JMFC on Friday, where Lajong and AIFF defended by filing an application that the court has no jurisdiction on the suit.
The case pertains to Vasco's contention that Shillong Lajong played an ineligible player in the second division qualifying campaign and thus gained I-League promotion by unfair means. Vasco faced the brunt in the qualifying competition and failed to qualify for the I-League. Vasco's advocate Jayant Murgaonkar avoided commenting on the case. The next date for hearing is November 21st.
Today the matter was posted for our reply on temporary injunction. We have filed our reply. I was appearing along with Advocate Shailen Bobe. But the plaintiff, that is the Vasco Sports Club, they made submission before the court that they are not pressing for injunction for ad interim relief what they have claimed from the court. So we are much relaxed because we are playing our first match tomorrow at Pune and we are most relaxed.
We have filed an application under Order 7 asking for rejection of the plaint because of the same ground that this court has no jurisdiction to entertain the suit. And it is also kept by reply by Vasco Sports Club to our application for rejection of the plaint on 21st of November.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Arman Ibrahim Formula One racing is more than just a wish. The 22-year-old racer from Chennai is doing his best to stake a claim for a break in the highest form of racing, which is Formula One. Prudent caught up with Arman in Chennai recently, and the Indian motorsport sensation revealed his plans.
I'm into Formula cars racing. As you know, I've been doing Formula 2, which is the feeder series to Formula 1, cars built by Williams, and represented India in A1GP, and as you know, I won the national championship as well here. But yeah, here as well, again representing JK Tires, you know, because I'm a brand ambassador of theirs. Been busy with Formula 2, like I said, and as well as few tests in the Indy Light series, which is a support of the Indy Racing League, which is the future plans. So let's see.
Okay. How has that been going for you, the Indy series? Because you're trying another method now, probably to get into F1.
Yeah, I mean, well, you know, we were kind of you know, facing the wall in Europe because, you know, after Formula 2, GP2 is a big, I mean, it's a step, but I think the budgets required were too big. So in the end, motorsport is about making a career for yourself, and yeah, everyone wants to reach the pinnacle of motorsport, that is Formula 1, but you know, there are a lot of other factors other than talent that are involved. So there's another road that we're going on, which we got some offers, and I went to a test in the Indy Light series, which is like I said, support to the Indy Racing League, which is, you know, really big in America and that side of the world. And it went really well. The team was really interested in me. I'm going to go to 2 more tests at the end of this month, and you know, hopefully, you know, get their budgets and everything else together, and you know, race head that way, and then, you know, create a path for other Indian racers as well to head towards you know, the whole ladder in America. And then, you know, once you make it in Indy Lights and then do well, then progress. The plan is to do Indy Lights in 2012 and hopefully do well, and then progress on to in the Indy Racing League, which has Indy 500 as well in 2013. And you know, once I get settled and make a professional of myself in motorsport, you know, then that could lead on to Formula 1 from there, because, you know, drivers like Jack Villeneuve and Montoya have come from there, so it's not impossible, you know.
Okay. Your season, your past season with the GP2 team, it did not go too well. You had budget issues. What exactly happened towards the end?
I mean, yeah, we had a few problems throughout the year as well. But unfortunately, someone defaulted. But that happens in motorsport. You have your ups.
Somebody pulled out from.
Yeah, so you have ups. You have ups, and someone didn't live up to the commitments, I guess. But you have ups and downs. But that's nothing to focus on really, because, you know, when something goes, something else comes up. So yeah, we had a tough year, but we had a few good results, even though we had problems with the car. But nevertheless, like I said, now no point looking back. Just have to look forward, and things are looking up right now. The test went well in Indy Lights, and just need to keep looking forward to that and working hard on that.
Absolutely. Goan boys, quite a few of them coming up now. 2 of them over here at the Polo Cup, doing quite well for themselves. A word on Goan talent?
There are always Goans have always produced recent, productive talent for India, and in karting as well, because we had a boy who used to kart for us in the Amron karting challenge as well, in the Rotax Championship. And now you have Audumbar, who I've known for a long time, who I remember when I was karting, he was karting then as well. But I'm glad that he's doing well now. And
A sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Shan from Chennai. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.